Hello friends, welcome you to your own channel Technology Transforming. Friends, today we are talking about as a MS Paint. So MS Paint is like we have a application or software, but we can make our some painting drawings or other things. But apart from that, we can edit some picture as a small amount, like we can want to some add something or modification something in basic level. Yes, we can do it in the MS Paint. So friends, today we are going to cover basic MS Paint, and we will tell you how you are entering like text file, how you make drawings or many things. But next session will be our advanced sections, so please subscribe our channel, like our channel, share our videos, and just press the bell icon so you will get all the notifications when we uploaded new video. So friends, we'll start today's session. So first of all, we have two or three options whether we can put here. If you have XP or you have Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows even 10, so you just put here MS Paint and you will get the paint icon. Okay, apart from that, you have to go your start and you have to go in XP and maybe 7 it's accessories, but here 8 or 10 is window accessories. So window accessories, you just go down and then you click on paint. So this is the basically the paint screen, and the paint screen, this is the top screen. It's called ribbon, where we have different drawing tools and different colors and other thing. And this area is called drawing area. This is called ribbon area, and this is called drawing area. So what is the here, like we have here file, we can have save our file, open if we have some previous, or we can do some basic things here. Then apart from that, we have home tab, and home tab we have different things. So I will show you what is the tool. So I already make it, so we will not waste our time. So I already put here. You can see these tools are there, what we called eraser, we have filler, we have color, then we have brush, we have text, we have line, and different shapes. So these are the name of these tools. And once you enter, select any tool, you will come to know you can select, like if you want, you just put this rectangle here, you click this rectangle, you will make rectangle here. And if you want to fill any color, just go to this fill with color. If you click also, the name will come automatically. Once you just take your mouse, so if you see the names are coming. So if you want to fill any color, you just go there, you just fill this color. If you want to add something, like if you want to add this corner, this, so you can just put another color and just fill with this. And if you want to use this, you just use you want to use this brush has different styles. So you can use, suppose this style, and you want to put some color, so you can use on this way. Okay friends, then we have we have what you called pencil. We can make something, and we can select the pencil size. If you want to Pro, then you put here, like you want to put hello, you can do. What you do, you just click through mouse and hold that button, so you can just able to write this things. So apart from that, we have here, like we can rotate the screen. So screen will be rotated like 90 degree. And we have then front. If you see these two tab here, one is the control Z is called undo, and the control Y is called redo. So suppose what we did, before we did horizontal. So what we did this, if we click into this, so it is redo, means whatever it's our last position, it will take our last. If we want to undo, it will come by default to our undo positions. Okay friends, so I hope you get till here. but if you practice whatever you want, if you want to create some drawing, we don't have time to create a drawing here, but I have give you basic idea, and I will show you some images in the last, so you will come to know what kind of drawing you can make here. Now we have some how we put taxes. We just go to A, and if we want to put some tax, we can put tax here, or we can take size. So I will start with the small size. It is little bit slow, so you have to just give me some. Okay, so this is like, if we want 36, we want to do something like you can, this is the font, basically this is the font, any of the style font you can choose, different fonts. This is the size of fonts, this is the style, either you want to bold, you want to italic, you want to underline. So suppose I am putting here test, so just you put text test here. Okay, and you want to change with the color, so you can select directly color from here. Okay, any of the color you can put. You want to put bold, you want to put underline, you want to do underline, you want to remove underline, you want whatever it is, you can play with this text. Now what we want some, like we want to some different style. So what we'll do, we'll go to here, we'll select any of the like this, so this will come like this. We want to have some different style, so we can do our text with different styles. So friends, now what we are going to do, this I already told you how we going to do test and all. So now if you want to do some some different images, or you want to do some design, so what we'll do, we'll just remove this full, and what we'll do, we'll just this. Okay, and now we want to, this is the select tool basically, so whatever you want to select, you can select. So now I am going here and I am putting some, I will show you something else. This we will use as 100. Okay, and so friends, what we are doing here, what we have, we put here like test, and the test we want to do some 3D dimension into that. So what you will do, you will select this text, and you will see one option is transparent selection. So this transparent selection will be like it is already tick into this. So what you will do now, you will just put shift key from your keyboard and just drag this, so you will feel, oh, this is effect is some effect is coming. So let's try with another fonts. So we have different font, we can just go into text, just go here and just make this more than 100, like we make 200. Okay, and then we just go with different font, where there's some stylish font or something, then we can make we can feel that effect. Okay, let me put any of the font you put it. Okay, you will go with this font. Okay, so you put suppose 3D, so you just put 3D here, and now what you will do, again you go, you just select, and you just want to change its color, you just put its color. Okay, and now what you do, again the transparent, and you just make shift plus this, so you feel this is like we are giving some this thing into that. Now what we can do, we can fill this with the color, like we have fill with color. We just go here and we just put any of the color here, and if we want to do like what we want to just take, okay, we already have this color and we want to match with other, so you just go into this color picker and just click into this, just click here and just paste here. So you can do lot of things with this. Okay, now we will show you some pictures where you can make with the make with the MS Paint. So what you make it, you just like do in this way. Okay, you can do like this picture, you can do like this picture. Okay, you can make this picture. We don't have time, so if you do lot of things with it, if your painting is good, you can try lot of things. I will tell you one important thing here, like you have some ID cards. Okay, like you have this ID card. So I will open this with the paint, and if here is you have form or something and you have ID copy or you want to paste your photo, how you will do, you just go into the photo. Suppose I have example of this photo, you just click again open with paint. It will you just go into this select box, you just take this picture and just do copy. So control C is copy, or you can just click here copy and go with the that our other picture where it is. So what you will do, you will paste here and you can adjust the size whatever you want, and you just put here according to this thing. This is very helpful in terms of you have ID card with both the side, like that driving license, it is both the sides, and you want to copy and post both the side and save into one picture. I will show you this is like your photo, this I show you photo. But suppose other example, if you have ID card, what you will do, and you have both the sides, suppose one side is this and other side is different picture. So what you will do, you will take that picture from there, copy from here and paste. Okay, and this will be the other side. You just assume this is the another side. So what you will do, you will just go here, file, save as, and you just put this name as same paint, MS Paint, and you just put ID. Suppose you have DL, driving license, so you just save it. So what happen tomorrow, if anything, this will come into one particular, so you can easily print out in that. Otherwise what happen, if you go to the photocopy shop, you just give to them, it will do both the sides and it will take money from you. So in this case, you have both the things in one page, and you just go there and just give print out, and it will work as printer in one page. So you will save some money also. So this is some example where you can use these all example in your real life, and you will play with these particular things. So friends, today I think we did with our basic session. So we will go with next session, which is 3D painting. It's new option with like Windows 8 and Windows 10. So you can it's very useful to like students who has like 3D like project in schools or 3D project in colleges. It will help you a lot. So I hope friends you like our video, you like our this video. So if you like our video, please subscribe our channel, please like and share with your friends, and just press the bell icon. Where is the bell icon? I will show you. Once you subscribe, that nearby is one bell icon, you just press that bell icon, so you will get notification once we uploaded any new video. So you will get notification of that, and then you will learn lot of things. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.